additional curve, but Jim's thinking, just keep in mind that this also defines the seat on this section.
Right. So the seat will be behind that line or on top of it?
60 inches behind here.
Okay.
And then once it come up.
So even with that, we're not really violating but a couple inches.
A little bit here and a little bit down there.
Yeah, but that's about it.
Yeah.
And with that thing at that 5 foot, it should be pretty good.
This is the 5 foot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's barely violate. I mean, it isn't in violation as we all agreed.
Yeah.
Because it's 3 foot. Yeah.
Here's the thing.
But I mean, even with this line, it's hardly going to be. You know, it'll be just with about.
But based on your landscaping, which is going to be behind the bench. Your plant's going to come up and be bushy here, right, Gary?
Right.
Yeah.
So as the seat, we don't want to get so close that you won't be able to interfere with the seat itself for sitting purposes.
Yeah.
But the bench does meander a little bit, right?
Oh yeah, well that kind of represents it. Once it leaves this corner, it's going to meander some more. I haven't drawn it.
And Jim, just to let you know that when we get into this area here,
Yeah.
we're going to probably encroach into that 5 foot setback.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and
See
we
right
agreed
here?
it's 3. Yeah.
You see right here?
Yeah, and we agreed.
I'm going to encroach into that now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just told him that, you know, because of the.
But we'll be 3 feet away.
Yeah. And because of the drawing that's on there, I just wanted to make sure that we don't violate the drawing, which is 5 foot to the water's edge.
Oh yeah.
You know, the other part of that.
Yeah.
Jim, we'll measure that when we're gunnighting just to make sure we can keep coming out with the gunite until we get to that point.
Yeah.